The CASABREWS Espresso Machine provides a barista-quality coffee experience right in the comfort of your home. Featuring a robust 20-bar pressure system, this espresso maker ensures rich aroma and exceptional flavor extraction. Its sleek and compact design allows it to fit effortlessly into any kitchen setup, making it ideal for small spaces. The integrated milk frothing system is perfect for crafting creamy lattes and cappuccinos, enhancing your coffee experience. With a removable 34-ounce water tank, the machine allows for multiple brews without constant refilling. The overheat protection mode ensures safe operation by preventing excessive temperature and pressure buildup.